What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and what the market did on Friday. Dow was up 2.13% on the day and Nasdaq up 2.56%, S&P up 2.28% on Friday. And if you look at these groups, we have green on all the sectors, basic materials on top, technology, real estate, industrials, consumer defensive, financial, utilities, consumer cyclical, energy, communication services, and also healthcare was green on Friday. And if you look at the stock market map, we have green across the board. Apple up 3.68% on the day, Microsoft up 1.18%, Nvidia up 4%, Google up 1.32%, and also Amazon up 3.5%, and Tesla 2.5%. So everything pretty much in the green on Friday. We saw a massive green day in the market. And now we're going to look at SPY S&P 500 ETF. So on SPY, we got a massive green day on Friday, and looks like we got rejected by this red line 50 SMA sitting at 388.25 and now trading just under red line 50 SMA. Now next week, guys, we have CPI coming out. This gap up here at 387 is already filled, and looks like we're heading for this gap all the way up here at 396, 397, and that could be coming going into next week, and possibly a gap up over 390. That is also possible going into Monday, because 390 is gonna be a big resistance. If bulls can gap up over 390, we're going to see a move all the way up to 393 and then 397. Now this one here, yes, a lot of people, especially new investors in the market or new traders that are day trading, when they see something going up like SPY here, $9 to $10 a day, they think bull market is back. No, it's not back, and you do not want to get caught off guard here on SPY buying on top. We could be coming right back down early as next week, end of the week, with that CPI. So you do not want to buy this dip and thinking we're moving higher. You want to wait for the confirmation, and that confirmation is SPY breaking over 400 and holding that as a support, and then possibly going all the way up to 410, coming back and retesting 400 as a support. That would be a bull breakout. As of right now, the trend here on SPY is still extremely bearish, and this is a downtrend, so you do not want to think that yes, we might be going back into bull market and I'm going to chase and buy the dip at 390, and the next thing you know, it's coming right back down to 378 and going lower and making a new 52-week low. Now going into Monday, support level to watch, we have white line 20 SMA sitting close to 386, and that's going to be a strong level. Below that, we have support at 383, 382, orange line 13 SMA, 380, and then critical support at 378. Just like I said, there might be a gap up over 390, and if that happens, we're going to see SPY heading up to 393 and then 397, and this gap up here will get filled. On triple Q, we're also up close to 3% on the day, and if you look at my screen now, it's holding 268 as a support, and we also have support at 266 and then 265, blue line 5 SMA. 268 can hold going into Monday. We're going to see a push all the way up to 271, white line 20 SMA, and soon as that breaks, watch out for a move all the way up to 276.60 to even 280, and the gap fill will be around 283. Below 260, that's gonna be a critical level to watch. Anytime we break 260, triple Q going down to a new 52-week low, and that would be around 254 to even 250. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. On IWM, we're also up 2.25% on the day, and IWM just finished the day just below 178, sitting under the resistance at the closing. So we have support at 175.57, 174, and then 170. If we can get above 178, we're going to see a push all the way up to 180 and then possibly going all the way up to 183 here on IWM. And now we're going to look at DIA. On DIA, we're also up on the day, and now we're holding 333 as a support, white line 20 SMA, and looks like we're going to see a push going into Monday all the way up to 340, and who knows, possibly up to even 345 to 350. Downside support, we have strong support at 333, and below that 331, orange line 13 SMA, and then 326. And now we're going to look at dollar. On dollar, we are down 1% on the day, and dollar just had that massive breakout looking candle above 105, and now we are back down to the support 103, 104 once again, and closing under 104. That means we could be going down to 102 here on dollar, and that is possible going into next week, and we're going to see S&P 500 pushing even higher, and then we could see a pullback, and that is going to be a big pullback that is coming very soon here on S&P 500. So going into next week here on dollar, watch 104, 103 as a support, and below that 102. To the upside, now we have resistance at 104, 105, and only if we can get above 105, we're going to see a push all the way up to 106 here on dollar. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, we're down 5.92% on the day, and early as Monday, we could see VIX coming all the way down to 20, and that is going to be a big level to watch, because if you look at my screen, how many times we saw this thing bouncing off of the support 20 and going up even higher. I mean, look at this, right here, more right here, and then down here, and also from this support down here at 20, we got to bounce all the way up to 25. So we're heading down to 20, and that means you got to be careful in the market. We could see volatility making a comeback in the market. After hitting 20, we could see a bounce here on VIX back up to 22 to even $23, and who knows, with some bad news, we could see a spike all the way up to 24 to 25. So going into Monday, watch this critical support 20, and below that $19. To the upside, we have resistance at 22, and above 22, 23, 24 to even 25, 26. That is also a big resistance here on VIX. So thank you so much for watching. Watch those levels going into next week, Monday, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. That's all I have for you guys tonight.